everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get started with the video, I wanted to show you guys the results of the painting that you're going to see today. Now this is a brown painting, and I know that you guys have seen me do a lot of those. But honestly, I mean, can anybody have too much brown and gold in their life? Come on. So I wanted to show you guys this one. It's one of the most recent ones I did, and I got a lot of interest and likes on it from Instagram. So I thought you guys might want to see it and see how I did the composition, at least, since you probably already know the colors I used. But it is this one right here. It is a 15 by 30 inch canvas with my usual browns and golds. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. This painting is available in my Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description box. As usual, my paint colors and my formula will be listed in the description box as well. So please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.